Okay. Alright, now I'm stepping up because the bus for Alex Studios is right there. I'm not trying to miss it, so I gotta run to get it. And it's only at the end. Come with me, guys. I'm faster. Oh my God. There's right over. You can't see me. Oh, never mind. There's a line there for. By the way, I have no clue what time I actually left Animal Kingdom because when I was on a bus it was 5:45, so I have no clue what time I left Animal Kingdom. Made it. Has full of things right in front of me too. So I'm here to check out progress on Star Wars Land and Toy Story Land. And of course, I have to meet Kylo Ren. Why not? We have to meet him.
Does she have a okay.
Hey there, go ahead.
That guy is nothing but the rudest right there. We're trying to get the other belt. We're trying to get her to go into the car, but he just wasn't paying attention, wasn't here. And the dark room's open, finally. Sweetness. So, right as I'm walking up, I don't know if you guys see it, there is a crane right there. We're gonna look at that later. First, Star Wars. Launch Bay. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm not here to see a Galaxy Fireworks, Star Wars fireworks. I've seen it plenty of times, but right now I just want to get some updates done. We're doing stuff. Eventually, when it comes out on DVD, which I don't know if I'm getting it tomorrow. Kylo Ren's only at 30. That's not bad of a wait. I'm gonna go do that. Yes.
My Super Bowl fans, right this way. Traveling down this way, stay on target. Please we'll stop for a photo all the way down, please. All the way down for me, thank you.
It's just rare to get them done.
Over here.
I would like to print them one day, but I can't.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Straight down that path.
Understood. Keep power off control. Come here.
Everybody in this line, travel all the way down that way.
That was awesome. I love Stormtroopers. They know how to make people have fun.
Welcome. Left side's the gallery, right side will take you to the rest of our walk through. Characters will be on the lower level.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cheers, boys.
Also, I got some stickers. Oh, the film's just like that. Oh, excuse me.
Ooh, Wes.
Everyone walks in front of me.
Annie! Yeah, little Annie. That's his pod racer. Tyler ready to walk it downstairs.
Chewies! I'm sorry, it's just a habit. I got something to trade for you. Stickers. You like it? You don't want them? Well, what do you want? Come on, can I get a picture with you? I'm gonna enjoy this nice. Okay, go ahead. I can't have this? I can't have this blue milk?
Well, I mean, it's very dense.
How much?
Good luck.
Why'd you guys glue it down to the table?
I didn't do it.
You glued it. They did?
They don't like to share their blue milk. This is probably not good for your stomach. We don't know what's in that exactly.
I thought it was Star Wars open up.
Can I give her a high five?
Okay. 15 minutes. Yes, it's 15 minutes. You can't see it because it's so blurred out. It's 15 minutes. So I know I'm completely wrong about this. Besides the TV that was right there that was never there, that TV was right there in the pole, and they moved it over there. I don't know. I am ready for your training.
By my side. I know the droid has been tracked here. Is there something you need to tell me?
No, but I'll help you find the droid.
It is wise of you to be so forthcoming with information. It saves me the trouble of extracting it. I sense that you sympathize with our enemy.
No, my lord.
I would reconsider your options while you still can.
It never gets old meeting Kylo Ren. That is more than 20 minutes. Dude, this is cool.
Yeah, I heard like everyone.
That is new.
Matthew.
Is this new or? Is this new? Is that new or no?
Maybe
No,
like 4 months ago.
I'm not. I'm
I
never
came
seen.
to the store like 3 weeks ago.
Who wins? Who wins? Somebody's on the kid. So I've always wanted to get one of these. I'm pretty sure I can. That's the price. I'm pretty sure I can get it cheaper at Disney Springs. So I might pick it up at Disney Springs later tonight. There's Jen. I can't ever say her name. Kylo Ren. I can make them in Falcon. I would rather make Kylo Ren ship. Let's get out of here and go start my tours on Disney. So as I'm entering the Pixar line, you can see a crane is right there, just hanging out. We're gonna close a look up in there in a second. I really will. Moana is still doing meet and greets in One Man's Dream. She's very nice to me. So right before you enter, so we're into the Pixar Land. If you go right over here, you have a new wall up, just where the bathrooms are. I think you can actually really go in there. You have a little bit of what you see some cranes I saw earlier in the daytime. Now the sun's right there, so I do apologize. You can barely see it. I can see it well. Like through my phone, my camera, I can barely see it as well. The sun being right there. Let's move on down. Look at that boom. Fight to win. Alright guys, so here's one good part of Torso That Construction. You can see just a little bit there. You got a nice crane right there. You can see you can start to see some building work right over there. Now that's over by what's it called? Muppet Vision 3D. So we're gonna try to take a look at Muppet Vision 3D as well. Looking over there, so I can get a look over there, but we got some trees that are still here that should be going pretty soon, very soon. More than likely should be going soon, so keep your eye out for that. I'm thinking about it, but I think I'm just gonna walk around up the stairs. Just to understand it, and see what we're using, and not the lazy man way of doing things. Lazy. Oh no, they got a straw, never mind. There you go. We're going to be doing the easy way of doing things, and this way to eventually check out Star Wars Land and a better view of it. Okay guys, so I'm over where I think Star Wars Land is going to be at. They really pushed back this construction wall. You could at least at this point continue walking up farther, but they pushed this back very far. They got one piece from New York still there from when it was all open and available. You can see this is all, just walk this all the way up with you guys. See they're doing, it's not like a tight quarters now, but you can see it's going to be hard to walk through. Very hard to walk through. I got the two cranes in the background from Star Tours, Star Wars Land. This shit like so hard. I was at a better good look and closely. The sunglasses, no, sunglasses are fine. Okay. I'm not going to use them. Let's bash my tail into the side of this wall right there. It's gonna be pretty hard right now here, guys, because the sun's right there. So we'll get it. There we go. Okay, guys. So I'm on top of the trees around. You can start seeing a lot of, walls that are being put up in Toy Story and Star Wars Land. What I think it's gonna look like is that I think we're gonna have the divider right there. Where I'm pointing at. One's gonna lead into Star Wars Land. One's gonna lead into Toy Story Land. That's what I believe is gonna happen. That'd be pretty cool if it actually does really happen. So if it does happen, they're gonna have signs going each way saying Toy Story Land is, this way. Star Wars Land is this way. So that's really cool to look out about. Alright guys, so because I love you guys so much, I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes of Walt Disney World here at Hollywood Studios. Not really. Anyone's not back here. And got a free cup of water. I actually need that because I'm actually really thirsty. And just about right here is where Toy Story Star Wars Land is going to be at. So, and this, I think this was one of the original exits for Muppet. I think they moved it to the other side. So, well, that just came on at a time, but you really can't climb anything here and really take a look, but what you guys gotta do, it's gonna be really hard to get a good look at Star Wars Land until it finally opens. But you can see they already started a lot of construction. You can see a lot of stuff that's been going up. So 2019. Yes, I know you guys have big plans. Star Wars Land is one of them. I'm gonna try to get a Star Tours ride done. I really wonder what made this big footprint. Oh, this is lazy.
Star Tours Flight 629, service from Naboo, is now arriving at Gate 1L. Passengers may vent at the arrivals lounge on level 1. Thank you.
I never realized that this is over here. Let's do this.
Galactic regulations.
Just remember how other station. You have this trip
There has been a gate change for Star Tours Flight 610. This is a gate change announcement only. Thank you.
That's on time. That's the way.
Package. I'm sorry. No droids are allowed in this launch. What? You're not a droid. Oh, well, my apologies. Clear. Actually, that was a compliment. What a cute toy Ewok! Some lucky youngling is getting a very nice present. Clear. Hey, you know how I got this job? I apprenticed. Oh yeah, you have to. Clear.
Wait, there you go. Switching to complimentary. Don't you look nice? That is a great outfit. Is that your original head? It's quite beautiful. Oh. Please refrain from waiting.
Just the front row Star Wars. Sorry,
Hey guys, is that right outside?
What's that? You can find it with the glasses on. Okay guys, so we're outside the Star Tours store. You can see exactly right there. You're gonna have an entrance right there maybe. That's gonna bring you to Star Wars Land. Obviously more construction of Star Wars Land on Disney's Land property, and they have more construction up than we do, and those is coming along. They're supposed to be at the exact same time, so remind me, I don't know what to say about those. Was going through Star Tours again, but it's at 40 now, and I'm not going to wait 40. But I switched to there you guys go. It's actually really weird. I only had breakfast this morning, and I'm not hungry, so good day today. Yes. It's gonna be an Olaf now. I haven't been over here in a long time. Oh my god, there's copyrighted music back here. Alright guys, so I made it to my hotel. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Hit that like button if you guys can. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.